Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics 101. If you're holding Bitcoin on Coinbase and you're ready to cash out to your bank account in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's easier than you might think, but always remember to stay safe in the crypto world. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Coinbase account is fully set up and verified. In 2025, Coinbase has streamlined this, but you'll need to have your ID confirmed and two-factor authentication enabled for security. If you haven't done that yet, head to your settings and get it sorted. It's crucial to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your secure device. Once you're in, navigate to the Portfolio section to see your Bitcoin balance. Now, to transfer it to your bank, you'll need to sell your Bitcoin first. Click on Trade and select Sell. Choose Bitcoin as the asset, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the transaction. Pro tip: check the current market rates and any fees involved. Coinbase might charge a small percentage, so keep an eye on that to maximize your profits. After the sale, your funds will appear as USD in your Coinbase account. Next, go to the Accounts tab and select USD Wallet. Here, you'll find the option to withdraw to your bank. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, do that now. It's usually instant via Plaid or similar services. Once linked, enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check the details, and hit Withdraw. In 2025, processing times are faster, often taking just 1 to 3 business days, but it can vary based on your bank. One important thing: be aware of any potential taxes or regulations. Crypto transactions might have implications, so consult a financial advisor if needed. Also, never share your private keys or login details. Scams are rampant, so stay vigilant. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to your bank account in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but always prioritize security. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay crypto savvy.